So this is the MacBook Pro. I bought the 256 GB model. So yeah, let's unbox this. Let's take off the wrapper. Almost done. And we're done. Okay, so let me flip the box over and yeah, let's open it. Whoa, look how small the MacBook is. I've seen the MacBook on YouTube and it looks way bigger than this. It looks way bigger than this. Whoa, look how light and thin that is. I can hold it in one hand. It's super light and thin. Just look at it, so cute. I don't know who calls a computer cute, but it's so cute. Okay, let me remove the plastic wrapper. Okay. Whoa, the aluminum body, it just feels so nice. Apple, you've done a great job. I'm already loving it. And the glowing Apple logo is gone. So yeah, let's see what else we get inside the box. So we get our quick start guide, and there comes the charging brick. That is the charging brick, and that is the 3-point power pin to fix it to your power outlet. There is a USB-C cable to charge your MacBook, because as you guys probably must have heard by now, the MacBook does not have any USB ports. Instead it has 4 Thunderbolt Type-C ports and 1 headphone jack, and no SD card readers, nothing like that. Just this USB-C cable to charge your MacBook, and you can also pass data to it. And also the charging brick also has a USB Type-C port. And let's see what else we get inside the quick start guide. So why is it so hard to open? Oh my god. Okay, so we find our Apple stickers and the warranty and the user guide. So the special thing about this lap is the touch bar, and the touch bar changes according to the application you are using. So for an example, if you go over to Safari, you can see these little icons appear, so they are your favorite websites. So without actually going over the search bar and typing, you can easily click on one of these icons and you will quickly go to the website that you love the most. So this changes when you're using different applications. You can unlock your MacBook with Touch ID, so you can keep your fingerprint and unlock the MacBook, so you can save up to 5 fingerprints. And also with the touch bar, you can do various stuff, like if you want to adjust the brightness, you can tap on the brightness and then slide to adjust the brightness. Same goes with volume. You got Siri, so you can talk to him and ask something pretty quickly. So the touch bar is very helpful and I like it. So now let's talk about the specs. It's got a 3.1 GHz dual-core Intel Core i5 with 64 MB EDRAM and 4 MB shared L3 cache, and has a turbo boost up to 3.5 GHz. It's also got a 256 SSD and has 8 GB of 2133 MHz of LPDDR3 SD-RAM. Now the graphic card is a Intel Iris Plus 650 graphic card, so if you're someone who edits videos or make games, this is the perfect graphic card for you, so you probably should get your hands on a MacBook Pro. Now the display is a 13.3-inch Retina LED backlit display with IPS technology and has 2560 by 1600 pixels. It also has 802.11 AC Wi-Fi and Bluetooth 4.0. So those are some very good specs, very high specs. So now let's move over to the battery life. So you get 10 to 8 hours of iTunes movie playback, but if you're watching movies in QuickTime movie player, you only get 5 to 6 or maybe 6 to 7 hours of movie playback. So with iTunes movie player, you can get you can watch 3 movies. Yeah. Now if you are someone who always surfs the web or watches YouTube videos constantly, don't worry, the MacBook Pro will give you 10 or maybe 8 hours of battery life. 8 hours is guaranteed, but 10 hours not so much. Apple says it will last for 10 hours, but with my testing it only has lasted for 8 hours. So if you're someone like me who always watches YouTube videos, don't worry, you won't get a dead MacBook Pro in the middle of a video. The speakers on the MacBook Pro 13-inch is amazing. They're mind-blowing. I used to use the Acer 575G and I never realized how bad the speakers on the 575G were until I listened to the speakers on the MacBook Pro. So I'm gonna go ahead and play a song on the MacBook Pro and the 575G so you guys can compare and let me know which one sounds better in the comment section below. So I personally think the MacBook Pro sounds better, so you can figure out which one sounds better and let me know in the comment section below. So I'm gonna go ahead and play this song.
Mama, look at me now. When I was younger, no one ever could tell me how to live my life. I told my mama not to worry, cause she worried about my world outside. They gave me pills to make me better. They called my mama just to tell her, oh, your son is trouble, good for nothing, he ain't never gonna leave this town. Well, mama, look at me now.
This is what it sounds like on the Acer 575G.
Mama, look at me now. 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 When I was younger, no one ever could tell me how to live my life.